If your external monitors aren't extending properly through a Lenovo docking station, the problem is usually related to connection issues, outdated drivers, or incorrect display settings. Many docks used with laptops like the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon rely on HDMI or DisplayPort connections to send video signals to multiple monitors. When the dock, laptop, or cables fail to communicate correctly, the second screen may not appear or the system may mirror instead of extending the display. Fortunately, most dual monitor problems can be fixed quickly with a few simple checks and updates. Step 1. Check that HDMI or DisplayPort cables are firmly connected to the dock and both monitors. Step 2. Open Windows Display Settings and click Detect to find the second monitor. Step 3. Make sure the docking station power adapter is connected and supplying enough power. Step 4. Update drivers and firmware using Lenovo Vantage. Step 5. Restart your laptop and verify that multi-display support is enabled in BIOS.